How's it going, bro?
Going pretty good. Finally get things sorted out. Didn't really have much testing on the new setup before we came here. But pretty confident going to the first round of eliminations. We have everything sorted out.
What's your fastest time for this weekend?
It's been an 8.0 at 180. We had a couple different issues. We lost the turbo one of the rounds. Next round we went out. Wastegate actually had a lot of debris in it from the turbo exploding during the catch. So I didn't really have any grist going down. And then broke some rods on one of the pass. And, yesterday we had issues in third. It broke up and then it came back to fourth. Pretty hard. So I think we resolved all the issues and should be ready for round one.
All right. Well, I wish you all the best for the weekend and hope you get to go fast.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
All right. Take care.
Yep.